Hello, people. I'm here to direct my audience to this very message of a sound and deep feeling about this topic. But before I start, I want to say, the Lord God of the universe guide and protect you all. The question is, have you ever felt a deep longing in your heart? A search for something more? A peace that seems just out of reach? We all carry questions, burdens, and a desire for true purpose. We look for answers in so many ways and places, sometimes feeling lost, alone in the crowd. But what if I told you there is an answer? A love so profound, it transcends all our understanding. 2,000 years ago, Jesus Christ died for you and me, gave the ultimate gift. He offered his life, not because we deserve it, but because he loved us unconditionally. He died for us so that we might truly live, washing away our struggles and offering a new beginning. This incredible love invites you into a life of purpose and peace. Would you give your life to Jesus today and embrace the reciprocal love that he gave to us, offering his life and body for us? If you would like to explore this further, please follow our channel, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you.